Hi, hello. Today I have this colourful winged eyeliner look. It's very different. I always say that in every video because every look I do is different because I like to be different. Yeah, today's look is a winged eyeliner. I'm not very good at winged eyeliner, but hopefully this has turned out okay. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not sure about this lighting. It's quite dark outside. Well, it's getting dark, so the light might go a little bit more. But this is the look I'm kind of going for. Obviously it'll look better when I've done the false eyelashes. So today I'm going to be using the Sample Beauty, the Paradigma palette. The Paradigma Shift palette, which is stunning. Looks like this. It's very bright, bold colours. Love it. I've seen a lot of Instagram people use this palette and it looks stunning, so I wanted to buy it and use it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So this is what I am going for. It looks like this. Okay, so for my eye base today I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 10, Light 10. Okay, so I completely forgot. I'm going to use some sellotape for the outer corner. So I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques pointed foundation brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this palette. I'm going to take this bright bubblegum pink in the palette, and I'm going to take that on the Morphe M322 brush. Really pack that shade on, and I'm going to put this on the inner part of my crease, so more towards the nose. And also I didn't set the base, so the pigmentation of the eyeshadows will stand out a bit more, which that's what we want. Okay, so then I'm going to take this light blue shade here, and I'm basically using the same brush now for the rest of the colours, and we're going to put this on the outer part of the crease. Okay, so then after we've blended out that shade, then we're going to go into this shade here, which is like a navy blue, with the same brush, and we're going to put this further down in the crease and go all the way across to that pink. Just keep building that blue up. I'm also going to keep adding some pink in this inner corner because I don't want to lose any of the pink shade. Now to finish this off, I'm going to go into this darker blue here, and again I'm going to put this further down in my crease. So I'm going to take the Colourpop concealer again and place that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use the Real Techniques detailer brush to cut the crease. Then we're going to take Rodeo Drive by Ofra, and we're going to set this with the highlight. I love using this as a eyeshadow shade as well as a highlight. I've just wet my brush just to get the pigmentation a little bit more intense. My camera keeps going blurry and I don't know why. Okay, so that is the eye. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is a lovely mint green shade, and just place that on the back of my hand. And I'm just taking a liner brush to create this winged eyeliner. I am rubbish at winged eyeliner, so do not judge me. Hopefully that matches. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the tape. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up a slight bit. Whatever isn't perfect, I will go over it with concealer, so don't worry about that. Now I'm just going to take the Rodeo Drive highlighter and put that on my brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out and we'll do the face. I'm sorry about the lighting. Okay, so you can see my little doggy by here. Bless her. She's like, what the hell are you doing? First I'm going to take some spray primer. This is the NYX First Base Primer Spray. Then for foundation today, we're going to take the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade 1.N Ivory. It looks like this. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I think this is a little bit too light for me. Okay, so then for concealer, we're going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. Okay, so then again, I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05 Fair, and I'm going to set my whole face with this. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Okay, so I'm going to set the face using the Maybelline Superstay Setting Spray. And then for highlight, I'm not going to go in with Rodeo Drive, I'm going to go in with Pillow Talk, which has a pink tone to it, which will go nicely with the eye look. So the lashes I'm going to go in with today are the Tatti lashes in the style TL9, which look like this. These are beautiful. So I'm going to do my eyebrows, apply mascara and eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I need to hurry up and finish this video. For some reason my eyelashes always look thicker on this eye. I'm not sure why. Don't know. But this is the eye so far. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and this eyelash is coming off. For the under eye, I'm going to be taking this pink shade we took at the start, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lower lash line to the middle. Don't know whether to just leave it here. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to take cheek. Then I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Popular, and I'm going to put that in the waterline just to add a pop of colour in the waterline. So now for the inner corner, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use the bright yellow shade and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Hopefully this is a really good yellow, like so. Okay, so now I'm just going to do lower lash mascara. Okay, so the lighting has completely changed from the start of the video, but I'll ignore that. Now I'm going to do my lips. So the lip liner I'm going to be using is the MAC lip liner in Whirl. So then I'm going to take the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Alyssa. I wanted like a pinky lip, but I'm loving these Colourpop lippy sticks lately. Okay, so then I'm going to complete this with a gloss. This is the Colourpop again. Love Colourpop lip sticks and lip products, as you can tell. This is the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Snow Day, which is a nice glittery, shimmery pink. They smell gorgeous. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope the lighting's not too bad. I really like this look. It's different, it's outgoing. This is why I bought the miniature set of colourful Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, so I can do eyeliner like this. I'm not a massive fan of winged eyeliner because I am just crap at it, but the sellotape does help a lot. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.